Welcome back, vdiscovery viewers. In this video, we're going to talk about production considerations for text messages. When reviewing text messages with vdiscovery, we have created two workflows: SMC, which stands for Short Message Communication, and Advanced RSMF, which is an enhancement to RSMF file format that Relativity had created. When you review data in those two file type formats, you can export and produce data in different ways as well. So let's talk about how you can export data that is stored in an SMC format. What you see on the screen is data that was processed through SMC workflow and loaded to Relativity. Now, this data is loaded where each text message is individual record or a document in Relativity. When you're ready to produce, you can export this data to a DAT file or an Excel. In fact, that's what vdiscovery team members will do for you. They will run a production where they will assign a base number to each text message so that it can be tracked, and then they will export either DAT file or Excel that will contain native links to any attachments that may be present. The downside of this approach is that there are no images to produce. Data in this format doesn't lend itself well to being imaged. You can image an entire Excel file, however, that will not make it a good presentation in production. For that, we have a second workflow, which is called Advanced RSMF. So let's take a look at it, what data is going to look like if you were to produce data in RSMF file format. Now here we're looking at the same data that was converted to RSMF file format and then imaged. Now, this file format lends itself much better to productions that require images to be produced of text messages. If you have to produce it in this format, converting data to RSMF and then creating an image and then following standard production instructions or specifications is the best approach. When we create production where images were generated from RSMF files, you get benefits of a standard production format. Each page will have a base number and confidentiality stamp if needed. It will also include a DAT file with relevant metadata, and you'll be able to load that into any document review system that accepts DAT files as well as images. So to summarize, when you review data in the SMC file format, you are producing a DAT file with native links, which could also be converted to Excel. When you review and produce data in RSMF, you can produce RSMF native files, you can image RSMF and produce images, which can be base stamped and accompanied by a DAT file. Thank you guys for checking out this video. If you have any questions about SMC or RSMF workflows, please contact vdiscovery, and the vdiscovery's project manager will be happy to demo this for you and answer any questions you have. Don't forget to follow vdiscovery on LinkedIn and subscribe on YouTube, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.